I don't know about you, but I've always struggled with making a room feel private without spending a fortune or knocking down walls. So I bought the top 5 room divider screens on the market to see which ones actually work, are sturdy, and look good. After testing them all, I can tell you which one is worth your money and which ones to skip. Product number 1, HOMSCRNER 6FT Portable Room Divider. When I first held this, the metal frame felt surprisingly solid. The powder coating keeps it from scratching, and those wide feet pads really do keep it from wobbling. I was impressed that even a tall divider like this didn't feel flimsy. Using it was easy, the panels fold and connect however I wanted. The fabric is thick enough that no one can peek through, and cleaning is as simple as a damp cloth. If you need a big, flexible divider that can move around or fold up, this is perfect. It's great for apartments, offices, or even a kid's room. I liked it so much, I could see myself keeping it permanently in the guest room. Product number 2, Roundhill Furniture Oriental Shoji Black. This one immediately felt lightweight yet sturdy. The black wood frame has a smooth finish, and the rice paper panels give it a classic Japanese look. I could lift it with one hand, which made moving it around a breeze. When I set it up, it instantly gave me privacy in a small corner without blocking light too much. It folds flat, so storing it behind a sofa is super easy. I noticed it wasn't as wide as some others, so it's better for defining a small space rather than dividing a whole room. If you love a minimalist, Japanese-inspired look and want something that's easy to move, this is a solid pick. I kept it in my home office corner, and honestly, it added a lot of calm to the room. Product number 3, Roundhill Furniture Oriental Shoji Natural. The natural finish of this one gives off a warmer, earthy vibe compared to the black version. Holding it, I could tell it's lightweight but still feels well built. The rice paper panels are surprisingly strong, they don't tear easily, which is nice if you have pets or kids around. I tried it in both my bedroom and living room. It's great for creating a little reading nook or a private corner without making the room feel closed in. Because it folds flat, I could slide it behind a bookshelf without any hassle. If you're going for a calm, natural aesthetic and want something subtle, this one's perfect. It won't dominate the room, but it still gives you that instant privacy I really needed. Product number 4, SVIMI 66.9-inch Carved Wood 6-Panel Divider. This one feels fancy the moment you touch it. The carved wood panels are intricate and the frame is solid Paulownia wood. I didn't need to assemble it at all, which was a relief. Setting it up instantly made my space feel elegant. It's heavier than the shoji screens, so it stands firm and feels like real furniture. The carving catches the light in a beautiful way, so it doubles as decoration. I used it in my office and even in the dining area. It actually made both spaces feel cozier. If you want a divider that's more about style but still functional, this is it. Just keep it indoors because the wood isn't waterproof. It's ideal for anyone who wants something decorative that also works as a solid partition. Product number 5, Premium Home 6-Panel Rustic White Barn Door Divider. The first thing I noticed was how heavy and sturdy it feels. This isn't a flimsy screen, it's solid wood with a real furniture-grade finish. I loved the rustic barn door style. It has character that almost makes it look like a piece of furniture rather than just a divider. It has dual-direction hinges, so I could arrange it in a straight line, zigzag, or even a corner setup without any extra tools. It stays put once positioned, yet I could still move it by myself. It's fully assembled, so out of the box it was ready to go. If you want a divider that's both practical and stylish, this is my favorite. It's especially great for larger rooms where you want something sturdy, flexible, and eye-catching. So that's my full roundup of the best room divider screens I've tried. Each one has its perks, whether you want something lightweight, decorative, or super sturdy. Check the links in the description to see current prices and snag the one that fits your space best.